Making a dessert smoothie involves a number of ingredients. I mean, there were a lot of ingredients that she listed, and I have that information. If you want to shoot me an email, I'll have my information below so you can check that out again. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to view a little preview of how to make the ultimate healthy dessert smoothie. That's right, I normally make green smoothies, but it's nice to splurge a little bit and not have to sacrifice on the deliciousness side or the health side. That's right, you can have them both. Yes! Oh my goodness, best of both worlds, healthy and delicious. And Amira, one of my mentors, is going to show you how to do just that in this little video preview. This was one of our classes that we had where she covered nutrition as well as the importance of incorporating smoothies into your diet on a daily basis. Whether that's a dessert smoothie, whether that's a green smoothie, whether that's a fruit smoothie, whether that's just a smoothie in general, it's so important to be empowered to make your own meals, because a part of the 30-day green smoothie challenge that I help my clients out with is some of the benefits they receive is more energy, better digestion, and weight loss. And so to have those three benefits on top of improving your quality of life, reducing your disease risk, is amazing. And these smoothies, you definitely want to follow a recipe, first of all, because you don't want them turning out kind of, I mean, in my beginning years, right, I've been doing green smoothies for 5+ years now. Love them. But in the beginning, I kind of was, kind of going rogue and didn't really want to use a recipe. And let me tell you, it did not turn out good. You want to follow a recipe, please. When you've made a lot of them and are confident in your taste of them and you're like, man, this is really good, and I know what ingredients make them good. It's not just kind of throw it in there and, oh, let's hopefully it turns out good. No, when you know what ingredients to add and you got the ratios right and the recipe is just on point, then you can, mix and match a little bit. So like instead of bananas, you may use mangoes, or instead of an apple, you may use an orange, or things like that. It's kind of cool, but still got to know the ratios of fruits to greens to liquid, as well as knowing what protein powders you use. I use a plant-based protein powder. That's going to be very important as well. So that is going to help with fiber. It's going to help you with amino acids, the building blocks of protein, and help you just feel more full and feel fuller longer and all that good stuff. All right, well, I'm going to let Amira take it away from here.
Almond milk. Oh, milk. Yeah. These are bananas. They're frozen at this moment, okay? Yes. Then I have tart cherries. They're frozen, organic from Costco. So I do have some coconut oil here, right? So I have some vanilla that's alcohol-free.
I love that.
Where did you find that?
Trader Joe's.
Where did you find it?
Vanilla what?
It's a vanilla extract, but it has to be alcohol-free. So watch when you buy it, so that you don't buy it with alcohol. Otherwise, you're gonna get drunk. Yes.
So it's a good idea. Let's get drunk.
So I do have some ground cinnamon, and I have cinnamon oil. You feel free to either use one or both, or the one or the other. Doesn't really matter. But cinnamon oil is very, very potent. Again, use only 1 drop, right? So don't put too much. You'll ruin your smoothie, okay? So we have this. Then we have almond butter, but you can use any other nut butter that you like. This is super, super good fat for you, right? So either cashew butter, whatever you like, right? Even peanut butter. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter. And by the way, peanut is not really a nut; it's actually a seed. Yeah. So all right. So we have this. Then I have this one. If you've been to my smoothie classes, I usually make green smoothies. So this time, as you can see, there's no kale or anything present, right? But I do use yogurt, and guess what? This is a dairy-free yogurt. It's either coconut milk yogurt with vanilla, or almond milk yogurt, right? So you add some probiotic value to make it creamier, to make it again healthy, fattier. Yes, either almond milk yogurt, or the coconut milk yogurt. So, ta-da! Avocados, yes. And depending on how many people, I took 2, but I think, even when we're making a full blender, 1 avocado is probably enough.
Yeah. That's the shape of the womb.
Yeah, avocado is actually a shape of our womb or uterus. And guess what? How long does it take avocado to ripe?
9 months.
9 months.
Wow.
Yeah. So you will know it's really good again for female reproductive organs and good fat for you. So if you cut it apart, you see the seed in there. It looks like a little baby, right? So it's amazing how nature is actually telling us this. It's amazing. I love it. Yeah. Yeah. So walnuts are like brain, right? Exactly. Carrot looks like eyes. Full of A vitamin, yes. Oh, another thing I forgot about that. Do you know that if without the good fats, we cannot even absorb some of the nutrients? What are the fat-soluble vitamins? Can anybody name them? It's 4 of them. Fat-soluble vitamins.
A,
C, B.
No,
B,
B,
no,
no, B are water soluble. All B group are, yeah. It's a, yeah, you're almost there. No, C actually is also water soluble. So we have K, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D, and vitamin A. K, E, D, A. Yeah, are water. So those vitamins you cannot absorb without any fats present. Okay, so it's really important. So this is just to put on top of your smoothie if you want. Just, you don't have to. Coconut flakes, just to make it prettier if you want. That's it, you don't have to. Hemp seeds. Yeah, incredibly good for you, right? Yes, do you know any good thing to mention about hemp seeds, Malia?
Oh yeah, great in omega-3s, very high in omega-3s.
Omega-3s, right? So those who don't eat fish or completely vegans, that would be an awesome source for the omega-3s. Yes, exactly. So, and we have, of course, the chia seeds, the absolutely superfood, right? The absolute superfood. There is for centuries they've been used in South America and Peru as the superfood. It's full of antioxidants as well. It's full of fiber. And oh my gosh, there's so many things it does. Okay. Yeah. Anything you want to mention?
Yeah, again, just proteins, omegas, the 3s and the 6s, and it's just, so much nutrients packed in those little teeny
Right. So now obviously this is all very, very ketogenic in a sense that we're talking creates a ketosis in your body, which is.
As you can see, making a dessert smoothie involves a number of ingredients. I mean, there were a lot of ingredients that she listed, and I have that information. If you want to shoot me an email, I'll have my information below so you can check that out. Again, this is just a preview. If you want to watch the full version, let me know, and I can send you the ingredients as well if you're looking for that too. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description so you can continue to get your learn on.